It makes it extremely fast. Hi babes, I'm Beonka, and today I'm bringing you a 5-minute makeup look. By the end of this video, you'll be able to master a 5-minute look in no time. If you're interested, continue watching. I have started my timer for 5 minutes. Let's get started. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Make sure your sponge is damp. That helps a lot. Make sure it's damp and just pat it in. The reason I did not apply the foundation to the sponge is because this foundation is way too expensive to be putting on a sponge. It just takes a lot of the foundation away and it goes deep into the sponge and you don't really get to use it. So I like to just apply it to, I would have just applied it. Oh, and I just did it. As you see, I'm trying to beat the timer here. We working with 5 minutes, so let's just do this. But I don't want to like use all my foundation. Like, I don't want to waste. Just like no wasting, no wasting. But we're gonna do it. And the key to all of this is, we're at almost 2 minutes. So the key to all of this is just making sure that you have everything positioned. So step number 1 is foundation. Step number 1 is foundation. Step number 2 is concealer. Yes, we're still going to go through our steps of concealing. That's it. So we're at 2 minutes. Step number 2 is concealing. So let's blend all of this out. Honestly, I think we already have a beautiful face, beautiful foundation, beautiful setting. We really can walk out the door if we wanted to. Unless we want this to be moving. Okay. So we are set with our foundation. Our concealer. We're definitely going to set this really, really fast. We're going to set this really, really fast. And we're just going to pat a little bit underneath our eyes, because that's really, and on top. Alrighty. So step number 3 is to set. Okay, we're here. Step number 4 is to bronze. Step number 4 is to bronze. We're gonna bring this warmth back in. Let's bring it back. We're at almost 4 minutes. But we do want to go ahead and okay. Make sure that's blended. Alrighty. Step number 5, mascara. Step number 5 is mascara, and we already let's do a little bit of highlight. Just a little bit, just a little bit. How I get out the door fast. Y'all. And the last step. And we did it! 5 minutes and we have a face. Told you. I told you. We did it. So we did it. And I was super excited about it. So, 5 minutes.
You had one job. Just the one.
Only thing we did not do is my lips. But you get the drift. We could have squeezed that in there. And we're done. The most important thing to take away from this video is prepare and place everything in order. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, subscribe so you can join the family so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Go ahead and watch another video if you have time. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.